Good morning. Happy Monday. This is Trisha with Traders Helping Traders. Hope everyone had a great weekend and hope everyone is ready to get on the charts this morning. Make that money. We got about 8 minutes before New York Open. We are over Friday's high. Let me see. All right, we're obviously in an upward trend. You can see here. This is my 1 hour trend line. 15-minute chart, we've got a major level here. Let's see where the overnight. So this is overnight low here. Mark that. Overnight high. The 50% on the overall upward move. We might go up. This is, I believe, all-time high here. We may go up to there. We'll see. 15 minutes. Relatively narrow state here. 15 minutes is in positive territory. 1 hour, everything's in positive territory. I'm going to do a small fib here. Last upward move that started around 7 a.m. Let me draw my box. Feels like we're trying to sell off now before we even open. Here's my box. Rectangle, over there, 8:30. I need to draw a box around here. There's my Fab 4. Right there. Okay, which is right there at the trend line, guys. So funny how all jobs together. So pull back and then go back up. That's what I'm thinking. These are starting to curl down, if you see here. 2 minutes till open. So I'm trading my TradeSync accounts this morning. Copy trading these. Let me move it over here so you can see what I'm doing. Copy trading all these this morning. So I traded these a bit last night and was able to get a little bit over here. But that's what I'm trading today. I've got this demo as the lead and then these accounts as followers. So when I go in with this demo account, it will take me in simultaneously with all those, and I'm executing off of here. Trade of 8 because it's quicker than it's much quicker than Trading View. But I'm logged in here with that demo so you guys can see my trades on this screen. So there we go. So we are rallying at open. We're going to break above that box. Let's see. Looks like it. I don't usually get in this early, but take that $500. That was a big opening candle there. It broke out of that box with fierceness. That's the only reason I got in. and I got out fast because it hit this extension here, and usually it will retrace once it goes, you know, to the first extension on the fib, but it's looking like we are going to rally like crazy. Yay. Let me look here and see, because I do believe, let me pull this back over here. Alright, I am going to close that down. That's 53. I don't need to get any more than that. And I closed this one down already, so that's enough. This one, and this one. So I'm just trading 3 now. And I'm missing this whole move. Okay. No FOMO here, no FOMO here. If I can scalp it up to that next extension. Just trying to go. Come on. Don't do that. Well, I think I was gonna go up here to 11 at least. She's not pushing. Come on. There, out. Now it's gonna keep going, of course, it always keeps going. So I got another 400 over here, so 800 for the day. I don't know of any other job that you can go and make that kind of money. I'm a mom, stay at home, I do laundry while I trade, I make dinner while I trade, I order groceries online to pick up later while I trade. I'm able to take my children to golf. I'm able to homeschool my 14-year-old. I'm able to do everything that I do during the day and make this kind of money. What a blessing that is. What a skill this is to learn. I'm very grateful that I came across day trading, and I'm very grateful that I didn't give up, because it was hard. It was a struggle. I had to work. I had to put in hours of work, and I had to lose and lose and lose. And I still have days that I lose. Like last week, I lost all 5 of my Top Step accounts, but I also took $16,000 in payouts in 4 weeks. And then I lost my accounts. So yeah, you still will lose accounts. You still will have losing days. You still will have days that you go tilt and bust accounts, but they become much fewer and far between. So don't give up, whatever you do. Anybody can do this. If I can do this, anybody can do it. I am not a highly intelligent individual. So, I did graduate high school, and I got an associate's degree in college, but that's about it. So I'm just your average 52-year-old housewife, mom. And if I can do this, anybody can do this. They should teach this in schools. They should teach our children how to learn the markets, how to trade, how to understand our money system in the world. And they don't do this. They teach you how to go to university, how to get a degree, how to go work for a corporation and be their little worker bee. That's what they teach you how to do in school now. They don't teach you anything else. This is what they should teach people. So we are going to go down to the moving averages here, which coincides with the 0.25, 0.33 on the fib. Let's go ahead and draw our orb box because it's almost 9:45. Again, the orb is the 15-minute breakout. It's called the open range breakout. So basically you draw a box around the opening candle and then to price action for the first 15 minutes. And then whenever price breaks out of this box, and then you have an entry. If we break down below this box here, it's going to be a little scary to get in because you've got your 200, you've got this trend, then you've got yesterday's high. So I kind of feel like we may pull back to here, maybe to the top of this box here, which is well within the pullback range for it to continue to go up and then hit this high here, this next fib extension. It'll probably eventually at some point today go up here. We'll see. I'll take one more trade if we get a setup. Trying to get some ideas of new videos to do that aren't like live trades. I'm trying to remember back when I first started what I couldn't find help with without having to pay for a course. If there's some things that you guys need help with, like, I don't know, trend lines, the Fibonacci. There's a lot of good videos out there that help me, but like Tradovate, I had a hard time figuring out how to use Tradovate, and I couldn't find a good video that showed me how to use it, but now I think there are some. And there's a really good replay feature on Tradovate where you can go and practice. Maybe I'll do a video on that. That feature helps me a lot, and I still use it because when you practice, you can only get better. Anything that is worth doing, you've got to practice at. Well, we're at a little consolidation, looks like. See if we can pop up over this box here. There we go. See if I can get one more trade in. It's like we're gonna sell off. Yeah, I just got slogged out. I got trapped in that fake out, y'all. See what we're gonna do. I'm gonna push. Well, take that house. It's not pushing hard enough for me right now. Struggling. I'm back to where I started at. $8.64, $8.77. If we don't get a move soon out of this orb, I'm not gonna sit here and mess with this crap. I got faked out. I don't want to get faked out again. So it broke up, came back down, trying to go back up, but we're just going sideways. We could go sideways for a little bit. It's trying to break up, but I don't like the way it's. See how the candles have gotten smaller and they're like going sideways? This bar here faked me out. See how it went up above all these other smaller bars and looked like it was breaking up, and then it fell and faked me out. So I'm not gonna get faked out again. I'm gonna wait for a real igniting bar up out of this box. Usually when it starts going sideways like this and the bars get smaller, if it doesn't break up soon, a red bar will just violently fall out of nowhere. I don't want to get caught in that. We are slowly proceeding up to that overall high. I just haven't seen a candle yet that I'm willing to get in on. I don't see another entry coming. I'm going to shut it down and be happy with what I got. Let me know if there's anything that you would like me to do a video on that would help you. I'm open for suggestions. Please join our Discord if you haven't already, and like and subscribe to the channel. Hope you guys have a great Monday. Happy trading.